occasionally I'm a little bit slow for tractor service, so I'll work on people's cars here and there. So this person brought this vehicle in, and it's making a noise underneath here for the fan. So I'm gonna pull this fan out and see what's going on here. Maybe something just got stuck up in there. I'll also check the cabin air filter, see if there's anything in there. All right, I got the glove box out, and there's a little leaf here. I don't know what's gonna be inside this. Maybe nothing. It looks pretty clean. See if the fan sounds. Still making the noise. All right, so now we're gonna pull the fan out and see what we can find. All right, I got the fan out here. We're gonna turn it on, see what she sounds like, see if the motor is having some issues with some bearings or if it's rubbing against something. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Let's turn it on and see what it sounds like without hitting anything here. Maybe just time for a new fan. Bearings might be going bad. I don't see anything rubbing anywhere. It might just be on the inside of the actual motor. Went ahead and bought a new fan motor. This was $178, but with my discount, I got it for $77 from O'Reilly's. Blower motor's installed. Let's see what it sounds like. Not better.